In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger make.com from Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open a new scenario in make.com. Once you're in, start by searching for Slack in the search bar. When you find it, select the option for New Event. This step will automatically create a webhook for you. Now let's talk about the event type. You'll want to select New, Private, Channel Message, or whichever message trigger type that fits your needs. Once selected, make sure you pick the specific Slack channel that you'd like to monitor. This is important because Make will generate a connection hook securely for that channel. After you've done that, click on the Run Once button. Now head over to your chosen Slack channel and type in a message. This will send a test payload which allows Make to recognize the data structure. It's a crucial step that ensures everything is set up correctly. Next, we need to integrate OpenAI, specifically ChatGPT. To do this, we'll add a second module to your scenario canvas. Simply search for OpenAI and select Create a Chat Completion. Now, if you don't have a connection established yet, don't worry, just click on Add and paste your API key from your OpenAI account settings into the appropriate field. It's very straightforward. Once that's done, choose the model you want to use. Let's say it's GPT-4. Then you can insert your system prompts. An example of this could be something like, give me a list of blog post title ideas based on the topic. This sets the rules for how your output is structured. For the user message content, this is where you'll map the text field that's pulled from your Slack module. By doing this, you're linking the messages from Slack to the OpenAI processing. Now we're almost there. The next step is to log the output into Google Sheets. Head back to your modules and search for Google Sheets. Once you find it, select Add a Row. In this section, you'll want to select your target folder, the specific spreadsheet, and the sheet name from your Google Drive. It's essential to get these right so you know exactly where the data will be stored. Then, begin mapping your dynamic values into the table columns. For the first column, map the original text you received from Slack. After that, in the second column, map the result or message content that was generated from OpenAI. This completes the data flow from Slack all the way through to your Google Sheet. Now it's time to test the workspace. Click the Run Once button in the bottom left corner of Make. Once you do that, send another test message into Slack. You'll be able to watch the modules process the data in real time. If everything goes well, you should see a new row automatically populate into your Google Sheet. And just like that, you've set up a seamless integration between Slack and make.com, leveraging OpenAI and Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video